Reese's peanut butter chips cup. Also, Reese's big cup peanut brittle. See how that goes. This is it. Kind of reminds me of a butterscotch flavor. Very sweet.
Salty.
There's whole nuts in it. It's okay. Peanut brittle might be just way too sweet. I'm gonna have to pass the brittle up. Okay, so what's next? Big cup potato chips.
Definitely doesn't look like the package, but does anything ever?
It's like a normal Reese's except there's a crunch. It's gonna be the same if you take a bite of Reese's and put a chip in your mouth. You know, well, no. Slightly salty. But it's okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, the peanut brittle, 5? A 5. Maybe I'll go up to 7. Grated chip Reese's with a 5. That's all they get? Okay. So, brittle, I'll have to go up to a 7. And there's a pretzel one I'll be doing. Pretzel, peanut brittle, chips, and Reese's.